In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable bank feed or upload a bank statement manually on Kashflow. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with all the details you need for a seamless experience. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Iris Kashflow dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all your financial data and take care of your bookkeeping needs. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do so to access your Kashflow dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to click on the bank option. This will take you to your banking section where you manage all your financial accounts linked to your business. It's like the control center for your company's monetary flow, playing a crucial role in helping you keep track of your finances. Now, you'll see a list of options within the banking section, and you'll want to focus on finding and selecting the Add New Account button. This is an essential step for setting up a new bank feed or uploading a bank statement. Think of it as creating a new space to house your financial details for easy tracking and management within Kashflow. With your new account space ready, it's time to type in the necessary account information. This includes details such as the bank name, account number, sort code, and any other relevant information that identifies your bank account. Be sure to double check these details to ensure everything is entered correctly, as accuracy here will ensure smooth functioning of your bank feed or statement uploads. After you've entered all the account information, the next step is to hit Save. This action confirms all the data you've just input, creating a new bank